Hi, my name is Claire Nattrass and I'm the Programme Leader of the Graphic and Communication Design degree at York College. The programme is delivered in the design studios and workshops where you will learn a wide range of design skills through practical project-based activity. So you're supported by lectures, seminars, tutorials and independent studio practice. You will learn idea generation, typography, branding and identity, promotional graphics, photography, editorial design, printmaking and bookmaking, to name but a few. This is supported by state-of-the-art teaching facilities, including specialised classrooms, workshops, the printmaking studio, the photography suite and the Apple Mac computer room to ensure you get the finest experience. The programme will encourage creativity, imagination and technical skills needed to build a successful career in the creative industries. So we have ample tutor to student contact time and we will encourage you to develop innovative and original ideas. You will be given the opportunity to take part in international design competitions, which our students love, and live briefs. So as well as enjoying visits by practicing designers and artists who will help to boost your creative confidence and in response to the demands of the professional industry. So we've had students to go on to be graphic designers, illustrators, web designers, editorial designers, publishers and photographers and printmakers. Our current Year 3 students have had internships with graphic design studios and are looking forward to their future careers. So we're thrilled to welcome you in September.